Hey guys, we're going to look at our number families, right? Going all the way from our teen family on to our 50 family, just to review. All right, so the teen family is going to be the first group of numbers with two digits. We have a 1, starting off, we have the number 10. We have a 1 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. To count, we say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The teen family. So the numbers here that are in blue are numbers that you're going to have to remember their special name. 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15. The purple numbers are teen numbers that say their own name. 14, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Let's look at the 20 family. 20 family has a 2 and a 0 starting as the first number 20. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. When we say these numbers, we start by saying 20, and then we say 20 and the number after it. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Let's go to the 30 family. 30 family is going to have a 3 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Let's look at the 30 family again. When we say these numbers, we start by saying 30 and then the number in the ones place. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. All right, next, the 40 family. They have a 4 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right, when we say these numbers, we start by saying 40, then the number after it. So here we have 40, and then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Right. Last but not least, the 50 family. We have a 5 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So when we say these numbers, we start by saying 50, and then we say 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Good job, guys.